Late Night Gunpla Show, starring Jim and Harry. Tonight's special guest, Jim Guard Custom.
Happy Boxing Day, happy holidays. I think you got them all.
Jim, this show's like a couple weeks late.
Yeah, but we're like in a different time zone, so no one's gonna know it's not Christmas.
Time zones are like only like a day.
Are you serious? So you mean you bought all this Christmas stuff before Christmas and didn't use it and paid full price?
Yeah, basically.
So we lost money in the budget.
Yep.
Okay, great. So, Happy New Year's, everybody.
It's also like a little bit after New Year's.
Alright, so this show is really late, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, great. And stuff is just falling off the desk? This is wonderful. Okay, great. Let's just get to the show. Alright, so Jiminy, just hold that right there. Okay. Alright, everyone. I'd like to thank our guest for coming back. He was originally the Jim Guard Custom. Everyone welcome our new guest, Police Jim. Hey, thanks for having me. Alright, so the voice is almost the same. It's a little bit different.
Yeah, sorry. I don't know what to do.
Okay, we'll just deal with it. Thanks for having me again, Jim. Oh, boy. Alright, so welcome back. We all notice a lot has changed. You look quite different. What's going on with you recently? Well, I decided to enter into the police academy. Oh, yeah, which police academy would that be? Police Academy 4, Citizens on Patrol. Oh, boy. Lowbrow comedy. Okay, so, like, you're a police officer now? Whereabouts are you working? I work over in, like, Charles and Washington, on that corner. You only work a corner? Yeah, I'm a little new, so I'm just a crossing guard. Are you kidding me? Yeah, as right now, I'm trying to work my way up in the system. I want to be a detective, a real officer, make the big bucks, make a living. Yeah, that's where I want to go. I feel like my future's really bright. I find it weird that they gave me a shield and a baton and a gun, and all I'm doing is just crossing small robots to the school. I feel like you're not listening to me at all, and that's kind of rude. Oh my god, dude, close your legs. I can see your action base hole. This is a family show. Oh yeah, I'm really sorry about that. Well, I'd like to thank you for coming on the show today. I'd like to thank you, but I don't want to, because I think you're a failure, and you amount to nothing. Well, I think that is very unnice. Did you just say unnice? Yeah, this is live TV. I don't know what to say. Alright, so, what's next for you? You're gonna be getting cats out of a tree or something like that? Boy, you're mean. I guess that's it. So up next, we'll take a quick break. Words from both of our sponsors, and I guess we'll get Harry's review, and happy Valentine's Day, everybody!
It's not airing that late. It's not gonna be Valentine's Day.
Yeah, whatever. I'm out of here.
Alright, so welcome back. So this is the Jim Guard custom kit that I got. I did a online poll and survey, and Policeman won out over Fireman, and I don't remember the other results, but this is what you got. I kind of took my inspiration from Pat Labor. I don't know if I'm saying that right, because honestly I never watched the show, but I know it's a police robot mobile suit kind of thing. We'll put a picture up here. But that's where the inspiration's from. Didn't really copy it too much, but, I did get the inspiration with, like, the black bound by the cuffs and stuff like that. I decided to modify a couple things. First of all, if you could tell, the head is completely different. It's actually from a Jim kit. The Jim kit, I believe, comes with 3 heads to choose from. And I thought this head was really cool, and I don't think I was going to use it on my Jim kit anyway, so I decided to use it here. Next off, I got this gun. This gun was from Genoese, the Genoese kit? Yeah, the Genoese kit that I turned into the Joker. And, you know, I added a couple pieces of plow plate to it, one in the front, you know, to make it, you know, a little more detail, I guess. You know, it came really plain. Doesn't really hold in his hand that well, but, you know, I'm not going to be moving it much around after it's on the shelf, so it's not a big deal. That's the gun. As for the kit itself, nothing really major besides the head and the gun. I decided to add this part right here. It's actually like a police billy club or a baton, whatever you want to call it, so you can hold it, you know, like it was a baton. And it's actually a beam saber too, so I could actually put a beam saber effect part in the end. And all I did was basically, you know, take 2 of them, you know, glued them together and, you know, sanded it so it looked nice. And then I added this little tiny magnet in the back of it, as you can see. There we go, little tiny magnet in it. And then what I did was I added a little tiny magnet inside this little part right here. So all you have to do is just put it close together and boom, it holds on. You know, it's not gonna fall off, and I think it was kind of cool. What else? You know, the whole thing is, you know, flat coated. I appreciate it with little blue, you know, to bring out the white a little bit. Got the Gunpla Network logo, you know, Jim 79, of course, on his chest. Those are custom decals I got from a buddy. The kit's pretty nice where, you know, right here, I didn't have to do any masking or anything. Like, this little white piece right here is completely different from the rest of this ankle shield. So it's pretty easy to paint that and have it different colors, you know, instead of masking everything off like you normally would with the old kits. Same thing with these black parts. They're just, you know, completely different than the skirt itself. Back here, you know, I didn't do too much. You know, just kept the theme going with the black and white. You know, I added a little red in the thrusters. That's about it, really. I don't see it did much anything else. You know, the same thing with the shield. The shield, these are just, you know, custom decals I have done already. And, you know, just the regular shield, plain old shield. And that's about it. You know, it was actually, like I said, it was a pretty cool kit. I enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun to build. Again, I could thank Canadian Gundam for, you know, hooking me up with this kit so I could review it and build it and customize it and, you know, show it off to you guys. And, you know, that's about it. Like I said, enjoyed it. These are actually, these are candy red and candy blue. So you can see it's like a little bit shiny compared to the, you know, the rest of the suit, which is flat, you know. So it kind of looks like lights or something like that. I was actually thinking about putting like maybe some kind of like, you know, clear plastic in here and then putting LEDs in there, but to be honest with you, it was going to be a lot of modifications for just this one little kit, you know. So, you know, I got to turn these around as quick as possible to keep the show going. Otherwise, I'd be here for months modifying these things, and, you know, the shows wouldn't come out for a while, even though they're a little bit late from time to time, and Danik yells at me, but, you know, I get them done. I'm a busy guy, but, you know, they get done eventually. But, that's about it. That's about wraps it up. This was the holiday show that, you know, didn't go as planned on time, but, you know, it's here, it's done, and, you know, that's about it. Like I said, I enjoyed the kit. Hope to see some of you guys' customs out there. Tag me in them in the Gunpla Network. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment if you want. You know, see what you want me to build next time. You know, give me an idea. Maybe we could, you know, persuade Canadian Gundam to give something else that would be pretty cool that you guys want to see. And, you know, that's it. Like I said, happy holidays, happy new year, and we'll see you in the next show. Happy building. Goodbye.